Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen how we can pass a parameter inside a method and how it can be used. And when we call the method, how we can pass that particular parameter. We have seen that, right? So what we have done is we have made the parameter. We are taking the delay time as a parameter and we are passing the delay time here in the method. Okay. So the delay time is here we are using 500 millisecond delay time variable. 500 as a value for the delay time variable, and we pass that 500 value here, right? So the 500 will go here and it will be assigned here and here. So it's simple, right? So when I call the function will implement by passing 500 here and assigning here and here. Okay, it's very clear, right? So simply 500 will be replaced here and here. So what will happen is this digital write blink will happen with 500 millisecond delay, right? And since the void loop is repetitively iterating, and the blink will happen continuously with the 500 millisecond delay. So you understood the code, right? So let's have a quick demo on this and see whether this thing works or not. Okay. Okay, I will use the simulation environment, so you can remove this, forget about this other LED. There was one more LED I mistakenly added. Okay, so this is our simulation environment where the LED is connected to pin number 7, right? Because we are using pin number 7 for the LED, right? Okay, so did I copy my code? Okay, I have copied it now, and let's put the code here and see whether it is working or not. Okay, so let's simulate it and see. Okay, now you're seeing the LED is working with a delay, isn't it? Okay, so that means 500 has been passed. That is why it X has a value. That is the delay value of the LED, right? So clear. So what we can do is to make just keep watching the 500. I will change the delay value to another value, delay time value, and see whether the delay time is different or not from the current one. Okay, so just have a look on the current delay time. Okay, just keep it in mind. Now I will change the delay time and see. So what I will do is, this is the delay time I am passing, right? I will make it 1000 and see whether the blinking time has been increased now. Okay, that means delay has been increased or not, because the 1000 is the one being passed here and being assigned here, right, in the x places. Okay, so I have made it in 1000 now. I have changed the value into 1000 and let's see. Okay, now you see the blink is slower than previous. Okay, see, long time staying and long time off. Okay, and if you want to make it a little bit fast, you know the logic, right? I will change this value to, let's say, 200. Now the delay time is 200. If the delay time is being passed as a parameter, going here as a parameter, and being assigned to the delay time inside this blink LED method, in blink LED function, then the time the LED blink time should be 200, right? That means very fast blinking should be there. So let's see it works or not. So actually this is a fast blinking, guys. See, rather than the previous one. Sometimes the blink is not much clear, but you can notice the blink is fast than the previous 1 second. Okay, so if you are confused, just you can just go back in the video and watch the demonstration of blink time for each and every time delays for 500 millisecond, for 1000 millisecond and 200 millisecond, and then you can simply observe the difference. So what does that mean is this delay time is the one being passed here and going inside this function and affecting the delay x value. Okay, so that is the proof. The LED's time difference, blink time difference, is the proof that we can successfully pass a parameter inside a function and assign the values. So that is the proof for the functionality of this function, which is taking a parameter. Did you understand that, guys? Okay, so I will stop here in this video and we will continue from the next video, guys. Until then, stay safe.